Alright guys, what's up? Today I'm working on a 2017 Ford Fusion. So if your Ford Fusion look like this, it's gonna be the same way how to change your battery. I'm gonna change the battery on this, and this is the hybrid. So the battery gonna be in the trunk. So I'm gonna change the battery on this, and so what we're gonna do. Alright, say you come to the car, the battery dead. So there's no light. Even though this battery is not all the way dead, but it can open the door. But I'm just showing you worst case scenario. You want to squeeze right here, pull this up, get this out, right? I'm gonna come under here, and I know it's open. I lock it. So you want to hold this like this and put the key in here and pop off the cover, alright? So when you get it loose, you just want to pull it towards the rear of the car. So you're going to pop the key in it and get this off like that. So you're going to push the key in it, pull it out like this, slide it back like this, and it'll come out, alright? Okay, you can see these hooks right here. Then put the key in the door, and then you want to unplug it. But this is a blank key here because they cut the key and they didn't cut this to the car. But I'm just showing you how your car won't have this. Your car will have your key cut to your door. So you put the key in the door, twist it back, and unlock the door, right? So unlock the door like that. You want to come right here, unlock the trunk because your battery is dead. Unlock the front, the hood, the bonnet, whichever you may call it. So catch up your hood, come right here, you unplug this right here and put your positive cable right here, put your negative cable right here, and come in the car again, hit the trunk, and here's the location of your battery for the hybrid model. So your battery gonna be in here. You gonna have this right here on your car. Just turn these, take it out. Alright, so now we're at the battery. As you guys can see, you need to pull this right here, pull it down, push this through here, and unscrew this right here. Another one down here to unscrew. Alright, and then you're gonna have a clip right here to pull with a flathead or a clip puller. So pull this gun right here. Because the battery can't fit through here, so gotta come out with this right here. Bring it down like that. That's gonna give you access to the battery much greater. So this is the vent for the battery. Unplug that. You're gonna get your 10mm. Take off the terminal. Alright, so we're going to start from the negative terminal. Alright, so let's do that. So it's going to be 10mm like I said. Get that out. try to be careful because the big battery is so connected, so it might spark. Alright. Alright guys, so this 10mm right here. I want to remove this 10mm. This nut was on here, it was a 10mm also. And then you want to lift out the battery because now it's free, alright? Alright, so there you go. Battery is out, and it's going to be a 90 series battery. Alright? Alright guys, as you can see, we got a new battery right here. The computer says 90, but this is a 47, so I guess you can use both a 47 and a 90. Alright, so let's put it in. Alright guys, so yeah, we got the battery in, so go ahead and strap it like so. Alright, get your battery holder, which is this right here, and put it down here. Line up the screws. We can go ahead and line up this right here, and they all gonna be 10mm. Alright, before I tighten that, I'm gonna tighten the before I put on the negative cable, I'm gonna tighten up the battery holder down there. Alright, and tighten this up. Alright, so that's tight. This tight. Put on this. Alright, then bring this in. And remember this, you gotta push this back through right here. Alright. Alright, so remember to run this back through here. Tighten this up. Everything is all nice and tight. And get your clip up in there. Clip right here. Get that up. This, as you see, it don't set properly, so I'm gonna have to set it better. All right. So it's easy, just loosen it up some and let it turn out to the side of the battery like that. Then you want to tighten it up. So that's real easy right there. Alright guys, thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Got the key here. Start the car. As you can see, there's no light on in the dash, no check engine light or none of that. Alright. Please go ahead and subscribe. Thumbs up if I help you. Peace out. See you next time.